guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. If you are new here, what's up? Consider sticking around. We do hair reviews, lifestyle stuff, but today we're going to be focusing on this beautiful wig that I have installed. So if you want to know more details about this wig, continue watching. Today's hair sponsor is Wignee. They sent me this 24-inch, 150% density 4x4 closure wig. This is in the Peruvian water wave. Installing this wig. This is a closure wig. Now I did bleach the knots on the unit, so that's what it looks like up close, and it looks like we still have some conditioner on there, but that's okay. The wig is still wet. This is what it looks like. These curls, get into it. I really liked how the wig lifted when I bleached it. Not sure who needs to hear this, but if you don't own a water wave texture wig in your collection, you guys definitely should get one, because this curl pattern is where it's at. It's such a beautiful curl. I just love it. It looks so nice and pretty. You can do so many different styles with this unit, and the closure wig is really convenient because it's lazy girl friendly, it's beginner friendly. You don't need to know what you're doing to install the wig, but I would definitely recommend, if you guys are buying this unit, bleaching the knots, because they are pretty dark and they are on the larger side. Like for knots, like some knots are really tiny on wigs, but these ones aren't as tiny, so I knew I wanted to bleach the knots. I actually left the bleach on this wig for over an hour. I was actually doing my makeup for this video while I was bleaching it, and I kind of over bleached it, but it's okay. It's just giving like really natural part when we part it. You'll see what I'm talking about in a few minutes. My auntie actually put me onto this ebon spray. She tried it like months ago, and I was like, I don't know. Then I tried this black hand, and I'm like, oh my god, it really is that girl. Like, it's really good. I love it. With the bold hold, the combination with those two, fire. A lot of people, don't really rock with closure wigs. I don't know why. I love them, but the only thing is it does look kind of fake around the sides where the closure ends. So you definitely need to cover that up. So right now I'm just trying to hide the lace. You know where it ends and where the wefts begin? There's a pretty obvious line there, and you definitely have to hide that with these closure wigs, because it is a dead giveaway that you have a wig on, and you definitely don't want it to look wiggy. So that's what we're doing here, and I'm just using the hairspray to secure it. I really like how the hairspray holds the edges down when you're securing them. Like, it doesn't really leave it shiny, but it really sticks it in place, and you got to work fast too, because as soon as you put it on, it starts to dry immediately. When I'm removing my glue off of my hairline, I like to dab it. I don't like to rub necessarily, unless I really have to. Because at the same time as I'm dabbing, I'm also pressing the wig back down, and I'm lifting. So I'm kind of like putting it down, rocking it, and pulling it up. So for some reason, this part is just looking really light. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but I'm not feeling that. So I'm gonna clean off the glue one more time. I think I'm gonna use some lace tint mousse. I find like when you put the tint on before you do this, it works better, obviously, because it kind of lifts up the, what am I trying to say? It lifts the wig up sometimes. Definitely want to put it in the corners right there where you can see the edge of the lace. This is what the wig will look like after you bleach it. I promise you, before the bleach, when you part it, you cannot see really the parting space. But if you really want to have a defined parting space that looks like this, you have to push that bleach through and up into the hair so it really saturates through the other side. Therefore, it will create that look like it's just more natural looking. On another note, let me know what you guys think of these longer tutorial videos and the chit chat style, because I don't normally do my reviews this slow down, but I wanted to really like highlight the process in this install. So let me know what you guys think of this style and the longer videos, if you guys are here for it or you like the shorter videos. So right now I'm just trying to finesse that wig to kind of hide the track right there. So even though the part looks really good, I'm still gonna go in with some powder because I feel like it'll help disguise so much of the bleach job. It'll just tone down that yellow, right? Just use your favorite curl cream you have or conditioner to find those curls. So the rest is pretty self-explanatory. You guys are watching me do this. I'm just putting some conditioner and I'm gonna kind of dry it a bit with the blow dryer just to define those curls and to create more volume on this unit, because it is only 150% density. So I definitely wanted her to appear fuller. If you guys are wondering what I'm using, this is the Girls with Curls. Got it from Walmart. There's tons of stuff you can get for curly hair at Walmart that's really affordable. So really you just gotta find what works for you, what you like. Beautiful curl pattern. I love water wave. I think the curl pattern on a water wave wig, absolutely gorgeous. Like, it's definitely hands down one of my favorite textures to wear. Some of the things that I really liked about this wig, hair felt really soft when I got it out of the package. As you guys saw, it looked very healthy and very dark, really dark black color. And compared to like some other wigs, it's more like on the darker side. It looks like it's been colored. I don't know if it actually was colored, but I don't see any gray hairs in this wig. It is so pretty. I really miss having like really black hair. A lot of times I just leave them in its natural color because I just want to leave it. I don't want to do the work. I don't want to color it. Actually don't know if this wig was colored, but it looks colored to me. It looks really dark, really black, and I'm really here for it. A lot of times 150% is not enough hair, but as you guys can see, this wig is definitely giving full for that density. I didn't pluck this unit at all, you guys. I love when I can just put a wig on and go. And guys, for the styling process, we did a really simple look. I didn't want to do too much baby hairs. Actually didn't want to do any baby hairs today, but we need needed to hide the lace because you could see the closure ending right here, and we definitely needed to hide that. The cap fits snug to my head, so that's also a bonus. Now I am experiencing quite a bit of shedding with this unit. On a scale of 1 to 10, and like 10 being like bad, I would say the shedding is about a 2 to 3, so it's not like major or anything. I have the 24-inch in this wig. I would say it's true to length. It is pretty accurate. This is usually where a 24-inch would hit me anyway. My final thoughts on this unit, I really like it for what it is. For an affordable option, I think it's a great option for someone who is a beginner because there's not much you need to do to this wig to wear it. And if you like really black hair, this comes pretty dark, you guys, so check them out. This is a great option for you guys. The link is going to be in the description box. Again, this wig is from Wignee. I'm going to leave all the information there for you guys. If there's a coupon code, that's going to be there as well. Let me know your guys' thoughts on this unit, this install, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below because we're going to be picking random comments to win a giveaway real soon. I want to thank you guys so much. If you made it this far into the video, it really does mean a lot to me. Take care, guys. I love you so much. Bye.